In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view project settings in Supabase, step by step 2026. First, open your browser and head to supabase.com. You don't need anything special here, just a stable connection and your account ready. If you're new, you can create an account later. For now, we'll focus on viewing settings for an existing project. Sign into your Supabase account, click Sign In, choose your preferred provider, complete any prompts and you'll land on the dashboard. That homepage is your command center. From the dashboard, pick the organization you want to work in. Organizations group your projects and billing, so choosing the right one ensures you're looking at the correct resources. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check the org name in the header so you don't end up in the wrong place. Next, open the project you want to inspect. You can select an existing project here. If you're setting up a new one, you can create it first and then follow along, but I'll continue with an existing project so you can see where everything lives. Inside the project view, look to the left sidebar and find Project Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the navigation. Click that, and the settings area opens with a clean list of sections you can browse. Here's what you'll see. General shows high-level details like project name and region, plus common configuration. Compute and disk covers database size, compute instances, and storage capacity, handy when you're scaling. Infrastructure provides environment and platform controls related to how your project is hosted. Integrations is where you connect third-party services to extend your workflow. Data API contains options related to the auto-generated APIs for your database. API keys lists your project's keys, such as the anon and service role keys. Treat these like secrets. Don't share them publicly. Don't embed them in client apps, and store them in environment variables. JWT keys are used to sign and verify authentication tokens. Rotate them carefully and plan for token refreshes. Log drains lets you forward logs to external observability tools. Add-ons helps you enable extra capabilities, like extensions, which can impact usage and cost. You may also see Vault marked as beta. Finally, under billing you'll find subscription and usage. These views help you confirm your current plan and monitor consumption so there are no surprises. That's the path. Sign in, choose the right organization, open your project and click Project Settings to explore the sections you need. If something looks locked, you might need additional permissions from an admin. And that's how you view project settings in Supabase with confidence.